Hey, everyone, welcome back to The Car Updates. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach continues to redefine automotive luxury, combining cutting-edge technology, world-class comfort, and a powerful performance package. As the epitome of elegance and sophistication, this latest model offers an unparalleled driving experience, catering to those who demand the absolute best in craftsmanship and innovation. In this in-depth review, we'll explore every detail of the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach, from its powertrain and driving dynamics to its exquisite interior, high-tech features, and standout design elements. Starting with performance, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach is powered by a refined 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with mild hybrid assistance, producing an impressive 550 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. The seamless integration of an electric motor provides additional power during acceleration and enhances fuel efficiency, making for a smooth yet exhilarating ride. For those seeking even more power, an optional 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine is available, delivering an awe-inspiring 621 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Both engine variants come paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional handling and stability in all driving conditions. The ride quality of the 2025 Maybach is second to none, thanks to the brand's latest adaptive air suspension system. This advanced setup continuously adjusts damping to provide a cloud-like ride, effectively absorbing road imperfections. Additionally, rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, making this full-sized luxury sedan surprisingly agile in tight spaces. The cabin remains whisper-quiet, even at highway speeds, thanks to extensive soundproofing and an active noise cancellation system. Moving on to design, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach features an imposing yet graceful presence. The signature Maybach grille with vertical chrome bars and the brand's emblem proudly displayed on the hood immediately establish its status. Sleek LED headlights with digital light technology provide superior illumination and a striking visual appeal. The extended wheelbase not only enhances aesthetics, but also maximizes rear seat comfort. Chrome accents, flush door handles, and an exclusive palette of two-tone paint options further enhance the vehicle's opulent appearance. Stepping inside, the 2025 Maybach welcomes passengers into an oasis of luxury. The interior is adorned with the finest materials, including Napa leather upholstery, real wood trims, and polished metal finishes. Ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors adds to the sense of occasion, while the Burmester 4D surround sound system immerses passengers in studio-quality audio. The cabin layout is meticulously designed to provide an uncluttered, serene atmosphere, with premium touches such as a fragrance system and an onboard champagne cooler. Rear passengers enjoy the utmost in comfort, thanks to reclining executive seats with massage functionality, heating, and ventilation. These seats offer an extended leg rest function, ensuring a first-class experience on the road. Dual 12.3-inch OLED screens with the latest MBUX infotainment system keep passengers entertained, offering wireless connectivity, voice control, and an AI-driven personal assistant. The rear center console features a tablet controller, allowing passengers to adjust climate settings, ambient lighting, and even the seat positioning with ease. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach. The advanced MBUX Hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, integrating 3 displays under a single glass panel for a seamless, futuristic look. AI-powered voice commands, biometric authentication, and augmented reality navigation ensure a connected and intuitive experience. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of Mercedes-exclusive digital services further enhance convenience and entertainment. Safety remains a top priority, with the 2025 Maybach equipped with Mercedes-Benz's latest driver assistance technology. Features include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, active lane keeping assist, automated parking, and a surround view camera system. The vehicle also integrates night vision assistance, pedestrian detection, and an enhanced driver attention monitor to ensure the highest level of security on the road. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach is available in multiple configurations with a starting price of approximately $200,000 and for the base V8 model, while the V12 variant reaches upwards of $250,000, and customization options are extensive, allowing buyers to select exclusive interior trims, personalized embroidery, and even bespoke exterior paint schemes. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach stands as a testament to automotive luxury, combining state-of-the-art technology with unmatched comfort and performance. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the rear seat experience, this vehicle delivers an unparalleled level of refinement. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth automotive content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.